Welcome to my garage. All right, yes, it's a mess, but let's take a quick look at what I got going on here. So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at this rapid air 3/4 inch piping system that you can use in your garage. This is for pneumatic tools. I am adding this to my garage so that I can one day hopefully start an RV10 build. Basically, thousands of rivets are going to go into the project, and they're going to be driven with pneumatic rivet guns. So that is going to be with this system. You can do 1/2 inch or a 3/4 inch, which is what I use, just 100 feet. I probably have about 10-15 feet left. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. Let's jump in and check out what this system looks like so that you can kind of get an idea. I really apologize in advance. My garage looks like crap because it's just been torn apart as I've made room to actually get up and install all of this piping and stuff. So is it perfect? No. Am I a professional? No. Am I a contractor? No. Does it leak air? Also, no. So apparently I did something right. All right, let's take a quick look at it. So in preparation for the possibility that I might build an RV10 in the future, we're setting this garage up as a workshop. So I'm setting up pneumatic lines like everywhere. That one's not finished up there, but I got an air compressor here, 30 gallons by DeWalt. I really don't have any other basic information on it, but feel free to go look that up. I'll put something in the description. Here, I'll give you some info on this thing. Look at that. Made in the USA. That's all you need to know. 30% higher, whatever. It's all just sales junk. I'll put the info in the description, but had to put all this stuff up here. It's going through regulator, filter, air, water separator, and then it goes into the system. Got a drop here with a swivel head here. Pretty much, they're probably not going to do much aircraft work with this because it's over here. Most of that work's going to be done over there, but we'll get to it. So ran that sucker all the way up here using the rapid air line. I think it's Max Air. I'll find the box for it. Clipped that all the way over here, and then I'm still doing some work. That's why the ladder is here, but another drop here. This is currently holding air. It is pressurized. Got another one up here. That one, yeah, I've got that valve closed, the hand valve closed while I'm working on this. And eventually I'll have a drop right up here. And this drop is gonna have, where's it at? This right here. We're gonna put that in there and just run that. And then I'll have a drop right on the ceiling so that I can do aircraft work here. So that is an EAA workbench there, and I'll have that all set up. I'll be able to drop a hose right down from the ceiling and work on stuff here. Of course, it'll be much more clean at that time. There's the John Deere, not associated to anything aircraft, but it's cool still. All right, so I am going to pin up, there's a little spot where that's kind of sagging up there. I'm probably going to put a clamp on that just to hold it up there. I've only got two clamps right now holding these up. So a lot of stuff going on there. Anyway, got this coming over here, got the right angle elbow coming over here. Another right angle elbow just to make it look halfway decent. And then the last drop over here. I'll probably end up having a workbench over here. And then, yeah, I'll probably, this right here is probably where I'll be doing the majority of the aircraft work from. Once I get that in here, and I'll have some storage racks. Probably have another storage rack right here for all the aluminum. So I'll have like a Husky workbench right here, and then probably pegboard on either side of this so that I can, you know, organize things, whatever. So adulting. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have questions on what's coming up with the experimental RV10 build, let me know. I know it's not all flight sim related. If you guys like flight sim stuff, experimental aircraft builds, hopefully it'll all be right here, and I will have it all available. Hit that like and subscribe button if you like this kind of content, and we'll get back to this. All right, guys. See ya. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our home flight simulator resource guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.